What's going on, guys? It's CamPlayer here, and we are back with another episode of Polybridge. I'm not going to take on the hydraulic world today. I looked at this level, and I'm not having it so far. So I'm going to start with new world here. This one is jumps. We have to get this car over here over to the checkpoint, and then the flag. I am going to be going on vacation for from the 15th to the 25th, but I will also not be able to record videos for quite a while between those two times as well, so I won't be able to actually record anything until pretty much the end of August. So there's gonna be a couple days where there's no videos. I am gonna try to record 4 videos for that time period, but I'm not 100% sure that I'm gonna have all the videos done for that. So I'm gonna try my best, guys. But again, if I can't do it, it's just a hobby anyway. So where are we at here? We're over budget. It's got to be an easier way to do this. Let's just, what happens if we just do like this, and if we, let's go shorter bridge and just see where that gets us. Okay, that at least holds. What happens if we make it steeper? Okay, that's not great either. We're getting closer though. What happens if we just make it that steep? Is it gonna break? Okay, it makes it, but it's too slow. What happens if we just add one more road to it? And then we can make it less steep. And we will just add in another, hopefully it doesn't break it, but okay. I need a little bit more horizontal momentum and a little bit less vertical. So I think if we do something like this, it'll actually work out better. Okay, we are getting closer. I don't know how to add more speed to this guy though, other than, yeah, I don't know if I could even. That's worse. Okay. I mean, we have 6 roads, right? Let's try to use them, I guess. Let's just get a road concept that works. We don't care about price as of right now. Maybe something like this will work. And I assume we'll need something. Okay, this looks terrible. Again, we are going to change it if it doesn't work. Okay, there is almost making it. We can extend it out a little bit. Okay, that makes it. Bridge breaks. And it doesn't get the star. But at least it makes it. Okay, and we're under budget. So 16,000. Are we going to be able to cut this at all? Like, these pieces are short enough to make them wood. And that cuts off like $1,000. Still works. Am I gonna be able to get this for 9,000? I'm gonna say we're not aiming for half budget. We're just aiming for completion here. But I will try to do my best. I do want to get more than one level done today. So, okay, that breaks. Maybe we can just extend that all a little bit. Should probably have. Okay, that bridge works better. It's our new cheapest. What happens if we just get rid of all of this? Okay, we know that we can do this bridge with under supports. And also, they are steel, but we can do them with under supports. So let's just do this, if we can get this a little closer. And then we'll do a muscle down at the bottom here. And then probably a stabilizer rope, I would say. I don't know if this will actually hold or not. Okay, no, it doesn't. So we might have to add another muscle in here. I wonder if this actually works as like a muscle though, because it's like a muscle attached to a muscle. It is 9,000 though. Like this would be half budget if this worked. Unfortunately, like if we change it to steel, it puts it over 9,000. If it works. Okay, maybe we can, you know what? Maybe we can get this to half budget. Like, that brings us pretty close. And it works. Okay, we're onto something. Can I make this any cheaper? If I just get rid of that piece. Actually, is the rope doing anything is the real question. Maybe I should leave this in. That'll still make it half budget. The rope is not doing anything. Okay, there we go, guys. I said we weren't aiming for half budget, but half budget, and we still had room to spare. 35,000 for this. Just have to get this truck over to there. What was the name of the level called? I wasn't paying attention. Let us, you know, add a bit of an arch. Surely that has enough horsepower to get up there. As for what we're gonna do, I mean, we could do a cable stayed bridge. I actually don't know what angle this is supposed to be at for a cable stayed bridge. I wonder. Let's use cables, obviously. And then let's copy this and flip it. Put it on the other side. And let's use rope. I just want to see if this would work. I actually have never made a cable stayed bridge in my career. As a non-engineer, so I mean, this is gonna buckle right away because there's no anchors. Like I need to do something like this. Or something. And you know what? What happens if we just... What if we just do it the whole way, you know? What happens then? What does this do? It holds. Okay. I think what we need to do is do like an under support here. I don't think it was actually this that broke. I think it was probably... And let's put stress on. How do we show stress? Oh, it actually just is that steel breaking. Okay. What happens if we just scrap the whole second part of this and we just do it with one steel with one cable? And then we do it with rope here. This, should not work just because the cable is not going through as much, like it's not high enough up, so I don't think it'll work, but we can always give it a try, guys. I just want to see if this, I don't think this will get us under half budget. Yeah, that steel is looking rough. Okay, what happens if we just make this a little bit flatter? Let's just, okay. Maybe that raises a good point. We have to We just have to make it less of an arch. Something like that, maybe? That is not what I meant. Something like this. And let's just, I mean, let's just do a regular bridge, I guess. Let's see where this gets us. And let's just... raise this up as much as we can. Copy this. I did not mean to I did not mean to do that. Copy this. I honestly, I keep clicking all the wrong buttons. Copy, flip it, paste it. Copy, flip it, click the button to paste it. There we go. And this middle one is going to have to be the tallest. And this shouldn't work. So we're just going to do what I did before and add in a steel brace here. And we'll do the same here. If this works, which it doesn't look like it will. Yeah. Let's just first of all start by raising all the trusses up. Might have to add in a steel muscle, which is when there's a steel muscle, it's never gonna be good. We can also add in a rope just to kind of help with the forces here. We are over budget. I wonder if we add in if we make this a steel muscle at the bottom. Like, is this gonna hold a lot better? Again, we are over budget, but just by a couple thousand. Like, if this actually holds it, I mean, it holds that part of it perfectly. What was this called? New Heights. It doesn't tell us anything about it. Okay. I think we're onto something with the cable stayed bridge. I'm not exactly sure how to make it stronger though. Like this is our only. We're gonna go like this. Like, what happens if I do something like this? And then, of course, we do... Maybe we just have to do a flat bridge. And, of course, cables. And we'll do cables for all of this as well. Just to see if this has any merit at all. Which I really wonder if it does, but like it has, honestly it has less starting stress, but the cable just snaps. Like can I do a cable muscle? That somehow does worse. Like, the cable stayed bridge is great, except for the fact that the way I'm doing it is not great. Like, I feel like... I have to put this on more of an angle, but the cable's snapping, so I feel like less of an angle. Or is it more? Okay, what happens if we add like just under trusses? Does that help at all? Like, I don't know. I don't actually know how this works. Like you would think. Yeah, like if I do something like this. Then we add these trusses in. Like, does that help at all? Maybe? Oh, it does. Oh my god. That helps so much. Okay, we just have to get rid of this half of the bridge. And I think that works. Now, if you look at the budget, we are over budget on it. But if we get this bridge to work, I'll count that as a success. Oh, man. It's so close to working, too. Okay, what happens if we... What happens if we do something like this? Just, spam a bunch of... If at first you don't succeed, spam a bunch of trusses. And try again. That's gotta work, right? Oh man, it doesn't work at all. Okay. I'm gonna work on a new concept here, guys. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it yet. I tried the tension bridge. I tried everything, but I will I'll find something to do here, guys. So yeah, leave it up to me. Actually, you know what, guys? I think we'll just do these two bridges in this video. But I think if what happens if I have a double arch bridge? Hello? Why isn't this working? Fill it in, yeah. And then we truss. I think I was supposed to... Okay, can we add more nodes here with the road? So if we go this shape there, and then we don't make the max length. If we do them something like this, I guess. Okay, fill that in. And then we'll add cables in. This will be trusses. Until we can't. And then, you know what, we'll just do steel for right now. As long as we make the bridge, I'm okay with it not being... Like, under budget is fine, but I'm more worried about just getting a bridge that works on this level specifically. I've seen these type of bridges before, so hopefully I don't know what I'm doing actually. Undo, copy, flip. There we go. And now we just have to do these inside ones. Okay, let's just see if that doesn't work either. Yikes. It breaks right on the steel or on the wood here. What happens if, you know? Okay. Okay, we might have to make the whole thing steel. But just to see if it works or not, I want to see if this works. It looks like it's going to be so over budget, it's not even funny. We should be able to get rid of this end part and just put a cable there. So that might save us enough money to be under budget. cable, and then another cable. Let's see. Is this under budget? It does hold better. Oh, it's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Now I just feel like I could do a better job. Like if I make the... If we think about it, right? If I make that steeper... and fill it in. And then I make this one steeper as well. Then I can add that road in. Okay. This is a lot of cable that I don't know if it's... Or a lot of rope that I don't know if it's doing anything right, but... Okay, and now we'll just, you know, good old... I see the issue now. See the issue. We are gonna have to redo this top arch. Make it that, and then we can we should just be able to why is this doing this? Okay, there we go. I got rid of it. I feel like we should just end off on our last attempt. I think it was cheaper. But since I've already started doing this one, I might as well see if it would work. Nope. Alright. Our last attempt was cheaper. We're gonna go lowest budget, unbreaking. Here we go. This is our final attempt. We'll watch it again with stress on. You can see it as the truck goes. It follows, the stress follows it. We could probably shave it down a lot here. Honestly, if we made a lot of this wood, it would probably be cheaper. I'm thinking if we take this whole top row here and make it all wood, that should also probably work. Okay, we might have to add like a couple bits of steel in, but I think, yeah, maybe just near the top we have to add in. Oh, that makes everything worse. Bring this down a little bit. Okay, we might be able to get away with less of an arch if we make this all steel again. Let's just see if that works. 60,000. Is that gonna work now? No. Alright, we're just gonna stick to our original design, guys. I'm 67,000. I can't make any of the rest of, maybe I can get rid of, I don't even know. Yeah, I don't want to mess with it anymore. This is going to be our final design here, and it's going to be it for this video. We only did 2, but again, I am going on holidays, so I'm just trying to pump out a couple videos here. Make sure you guys get some content while I'm gone. And yeah, guys, thank you guys all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.